Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to curl with a Vega straightener. First, make sure your hair is completely clean, dry, and free of any tangles. This preparation is crucial for achieving smooth, beautiful curls. Next, apply a good quality heat protectant spray throughout your hair to shield it from heat damage. Finally, divide your hair into several manageable sections, each about 1 to 2 inches wide, securing them with clips. Now, let's get to the curling action. Take one of your prepared sections and clamp your Vega straightener near the roots, but not too close to your scalp. Once clamped, rotate the straightener a full 180 degrees, turning it away from your face. Maintain this rotation as you slowly and steadily glide the straightener all the way down to the very ends of that hair section. The key to beautiful, lasting curls is maintaining consistent pressure and a slow, steady pace as you glide the straightener. Avoid rushing, as this can result in uneven or less defined curls. Once you reach the very end of the hair section, gently release the straightener. It's super important to let each fresh curl cool down completely before you touch or manipulate it, which helps set its shape. Once all your curls have cooled, it's time for the finishing touches. For a softer, more natural look, gently run your fingers through the curls to separate them. Avoid using a brush, as this can undo the curl definition. To ensure your beautiful curls last all day, finish with a light mist of hairspray. This will help set them without making your hair stiff or crunchy, giving you lovely, bouncy results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.